first Sarah. Say hi to Sarah.
Hi.
Okay, then we've got Jamie. I'm trying to remember all the names.
Hi.
And then we have Jake from State Farm.
Hi.
And he wants to tell you he does have on khakis. Okay, khaki pants. I don't understand it. But. And then we have Jamal.
Hey, what's up?
And Jose.
I'm Jose.
And we have James.
Hello.
Okay, so they're going to do a quick skit for you fathers. So enjoy. Ready? Go.
Hey Sarah, do you know what day it is today? Yep, it's June 16th. No, I don't mean the day. Do you know what's special about today? Yeah, it's Sunday, and we get to go to the house of the Lord to worship Him. I know, but what's special about this Sunday? Well, I guess I don't know then. It's Father's Day, Banana Brains. Father's Day? Well, why didn't you just say so? I was trying to put you... What? What's wrong? I forgot to get my dad a gift for Father's Day. What can I give him?
Hey guys, what are you doing?
Well, we were just talking about Father's Day, and I forgot to get my dad something. What am I going to get him?
Well, you can get him a tie.
Hey, that's a good idea.
That's what I got him last week. They had my picture on it. He said he loved it.
No, I don't think it's going to work.
Oh, I know. You can give him some cologne.
Oh, you think he would like that?
Oh, yeah. You know what, man? We like to smell good. It drives the girls crazy.
You drive the girls crazy even without that stuff.
Oh, hey, I got my dad an alarm for the remote control.
Yeah, okay. Now, why would he need an alarm for remote control?
You know, because when he falls asleep on the couch with it and then wakes up and says, hey, who took my remote? He can push the button and find it.
Does it work?
Well, kind of. If you can remember where he put the alarm.
Okay, that's not going to work. My dad's old and he can't remember anything. Don't you guys have any better ideas?
As a matter of fact, I do, and you don't have to spend any money to get it.
Oh yeah? No money? So what is it?
It's love.
Yeah, love. I really like that idea. But how can I give love as a gift?
Lots of ways. Draw him a picture, sit on his lap, help him do things like changing the channel on the TV because he can't remember where the remote is. You can show love in all kinds of ways.
Love. I like that idea. I'm going to get my dad love. Thanks, Fred.
No problem.
I remember when I was a kid, my dad would say things over and over. They didn't make sense to me. Yo, but now that I'm a dad, I get it. I do. This song is about daddy issues. Yeah, things that dads say. I go to work every day just to pay for your life. It ain't no picnic making money for some kids and a wife. But every time we're at the store, I want to tell Daddy, please. It ain't your birthday and money don't grow on trees. Boy, don't you know that outside it's like 104? Electricity ain't free. Come back and close that door. And don't you get smart with me. You better watch your mouth. I brought you into this world and I can take you out. 'Cause I'm your daddy. I'm your daddy.
want to
people
get a
get to
picture
dance
of them
along.
with their puppet after service, then get with Jennifer and they'll hold up their puppet and you can take a picture. You can maybe see if we got one more thing to do.